Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft Edge keeps auto resetting on restart. So guys, to resolve this problem, firstly open Microsoft Edge. Now click on these three dots. Now click on settings. Now in here click on system and performance. Now unselect this option, continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. So turn off this option, just slide to off position. Now close it and reopen Microsoft Edge. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy steps we can fix and we can resolve Microsoft Edge keeps auto resetting or restart problem. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.